In the smartphone era, it is very difficult to find out without mobile phone in anyone's hand. If you are holding any mobile phone, obviously you'll be having some kind of SIM card inserted in this mobile phone for calling purpose or some other purpose. But what happens most of the times, we might be encountering such a situation wherein, despite of you being inserting the SIM inside your mobile phone, but it is not displaying on your smartphone or Android phone or any kind of phone. Why it is happening, we are going to see in this video, and how to fix such situation also we are going to see in this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Without delay, I am getting into the video straight away. When you encounter such situation wherein, despite of you inserting the SIM card through SIM tray, it is not showing. If it is not showing here, it is showing because it is inserted very clearly. If it is not showing on your smartphone, what might be the reason? Despite of even though you have inserted your SIM card through SIM tray, the SIM tray might have not contacted properly. Just push this inside properly and do this one like this, so that this SIM tray will absolutely fit inside your mobile phone, and you'd be receiving SIM here SIM indication. The second thing would be your SIM card might be having some dust on those particular electronic part. Just clean it and insert it. That is the second thing. The third thing, I'd be telling you the most important thing. Just get into the settings to understand the third one. After going into settings, under the settings there will be separate menu here, out of which you have to get into network and internet. Here in the network and internet, again get into mobile network. Under the mobile network, you can straight away go to SIM tool, or directly go to that particular SIM where it is using. Okay, like this. In this video, my mobile is using the SIM as Jio is the SIM here. It is being used in this mobile phone. Only I am having one single SIM. If you are having dual SIMs, it will be showing two in number of SIMs here. What happens whenever your mobile is turned on with your SIM card? This should be in an on position, but by accidentally, if someone has done this one as an off position, this would not show any kind of SIM card indication here. That is the main reason most of the mobile phones would not be showing SIM card here. What you have to do, you have to go and turn on this SIM card, so that you will be getting indication here. This is the third solution which you can do. Then again, come down here, under the advanced section, just go down. If you are not finding any kind of signals here, that means your SIM card, despite of your inserting, your network is not available. What you can do, straight away go and select your network automatically, so that if it is automatically, again do it, or otherwise if it is manual, just turn it around to automatic. So this would be the fourth option. And the final one would be go to access point names. Just tap it here. Under the access point names, based on your mobile network, this would show you which network you are using. You have to reset this APN. Go to those three dots on your top right corner. Just go and tap it on that one. This will automatically restore all the APN settings, and your mobile network will come back, and your SIM will show indication here on your smartphone. This is how you can fix all those issues for this particular problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.